Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're plunging into a really interesting set of sources, the marketing materials for a tool called Screen Recorder Pro.
Right.
And our mission for you listening is basically to unpack what makes this thing tick, how it's positioned and what problems it's really trying to solve.
Get a feel for its core value prop.
Exactly. So by the end, you should have a really clear picture of this browser-based screen recording solution.
Okay, so let's unpack this a bit. Have you ever been sick of downloading kind of sketchy software just to record your screen?
Oh, definitely.
Battling those complex installation prompts or worrying about the security warnings popping up just to capture something quickly. It's that friction, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is.
Mhm.
And what's fascinating here, looking at these sources, is how Screen Recorder Pro is introduced as like an immediate answer to exactly that problem. They really highlight that it works instantly in your browser, right off the bat.
Ah, okay.
And that totally sets the stage for its main benefit, just ease and accessibility. Tackling that pain point head on, that frictionless entry point, yeah, that seems key. The marketing stuff really paints a picture, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You see this frustrated user kind of stuck with install prompts and warnings. We've all been there.
Mm-hmm. The universal struggle.
And then, boom, this smooth transition to Screen Recorder Pro's clean UI. And it's right there in a browser tab. No downloads, no fuss.
They even show the URL subtly.
Right. And then just a single click starts the recording. The message is super clear, no downloads. It really speaks to that software fatigue, I think.
Absolutely. That directness is powerful. And as you look deeper into the sources, you see its core, unique selling propositions. The USPs aren't just mentioned, they're really hammered home. The first big one is definitely security and privacy first.
Okay.
The claims are pretty bold. No apps, no uploads, no security risks. And this isn't just talk. It points to how it's built, highlighted by that crucial detail. Your video saves directly to your device, safe and sound.
Right, local storage. That feels significant now.
It really does. Think about, the last decade. Constant cloud reliance, data breach worries, GDPR, CCPA. People are anxious about their data.
Yeah, trust has eroded a bit.
Exactly. So saying the storage is totally local on your machine, that offers a feeling of control, of autonomy, and the marketing reinforces this. Like you see text overlays saying 100% secure, local storage. But the killer phrase, the one that hits those server-side data anxieties, no servers.
No servers.
Yeah.
That's a direct counterpunch, isn't it? It feels very targeted at modern worries. So beyond security, what else stands out as a core USP?
Well, building on that trust factor, the second major one is clearly efficiency and convenience. Just being browser-based says a lot.
Instant access, basically.
Totally. The sources keep saying instant. You can record tutorials or gameplay in seconds. It's not just about being fast. It's about removing that mental energy drain.
Right, the decision fatigue of finding, vetting, installing.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Every download, every install step, every security click-through is a little barrier. Screen Recorder Pro just removes them right at the start.